Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Like many of you, I'm guessing, I recently saw the remarkable and very timely Oppenheimer movie. And I guess one of the things the film really benefits from is a truly stellar cast. You have Gary Oldman, almost unrecognisable as President Truman. You have a great cameo from Matt Damon, but surely the star of the show is Cillian Murphy, who plays the lead role. And it's a really mesmeric, magnetic kind of performance. In fact, it's the kind of performance that means he's a shoo-in for Best Actor at the next Oscars. If you say that someone or something is a shoo-in, it basically means that you think they're certain to succeed, they're certain to win. And it's particularly used when we're talking about competitions or elections. For example, any of you who maybe know anything about football will have noticed the Manchester City team here in the UK who won the Premiership, the FA Cup and the Champions League last year. And already they're looking pretty unstoppable this year. In fact, many people are already saying that they're a shoo-in to win the league. In terms of politics, we currently have the rather delicious sight of a collapsing Conservative Party, meaning that Keir Starmer, the leader of the opposition party, the Labour Party, is increasingly looking like a shoo-in for next Prime Minister. We also have yet another scandal brewing here, as it becomes clear that a US tech giant called Palantir was a shoo-in for a huge NHS, National Health Service, contract before the contract was even put out for tender, before other companies were even allowed to bid for the contract. This company, Palantir, had basically already on the quiet been given the contract. They were a shoo-in for it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see how you might use a shoo-in, or just hear your thoughts on Oppenheimer.